Hey guys, taking a quick look at this self-healing cut mat. I got it so I can cut wires and little LED strips and stuff at my dining room table without worrying about ruining it. You can see it does have the 1 inch standard increments here, and on the other side it has centimeters, some metric measurements. So one of the things that I really it's been a side benefit of it is I did some soldering on top of this mat, and I just saw some there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit of a solder spatter that I got on there, and I'm able to just kind of really scratch it off there and brush it off, and it's held it really good. So I didn't get it for that purpose, but it's also saved my table from that spatter, so that's been really cool. And then on the back side, it's this stuff. I have no idea what it's actually for, but if you need it and know what you want it for, you got it.